It's good, YouTube. I ain't made one of these vids in a minute, bro, but today I got a very hot product, very popular product, and I think this video gonna do good. We gotta get into this real quick. It's late right now, so I probably look tired, and I can't talk too loud because my parents sleep. But this box is cooked. Most of them don't be this cooked, but this just they didn't hammer this boy. Like, yeah, I got the LED runners today. But yeah, let's get straight into it. So when you open the box, bro, you get the Balenciaga dust bag, as you can see. I hope it focus. Matter of fact, let me flip my camera for the sake of this video. Alright, bet. So this is the Balenciaga tote bag, you know, Balenciaga right there. You can pull it, make it squeeze in, and then release it. You know, whatever you want to do. I ain't gonna get too much into this because I done did so many Balenciaga shoes, bro, and they all come in the same package again. So I ain't even gonna talk too much about these. But inside we got the Balenciaga detail card as well, as you can see. And then you drop it down and like it got all the details in there in multiple languages. The light reflects off this boy, so it's like it's high quality. Like everything over here is high quality. It even got a drop shadow. But then, bro, look, most Balenciagas, bro. Hold on, I'm gonna show y'all the other chargers in comparison to these. Now look, you know most chargers they come like this. You got two of the Android heads on there, but this one it's all magnetic. So when I take it out the pack, they got these on there. See how they stuck together? They literally magnetic and they click. They click together, but they kind of don't attract to each other. I'm gonna show y'all how they charge though. All right, anyways, we got the Balenciaga runners, bro. Now look, before I show y'all anything, I'm gonna show y'all a quick little video of them charging. I'm gonna show it. I'm gonna just drop the video in here, and then when y'all come back, y'all can see it. But yeah, now that y'all seen that video, bro, these is really official. Like most Balenciagas, they got the little gap in between the light to where it's like dim and then it's bright and it's like it's kind of off. But these, let me just turn the light on right now so y'all can see. The lights on these is perfect, bro. Even with I got a high beam light on and you can still tell how strong it is. So it's real good. Like I think these are the best LEDs so far right now. Let me show y'all all the colors too. Hold on. It's kind of, bro, one thing about this shoe, bro, the light on here is like mad hard to press. Let me show y'all the button though. Bro, keep focusing to my dreads. But y'all see the power button right there. Then the charging port. That's how it looks super up close. But yeah, let me show y'all how it connect. So look, this is one side of it. And then it just literally, it just clip on like this. Let me show y'all. Just straight clip on there. Like I could just throw it on there. Oh shit. But y'all get the gist of it though. But yeah, this is the full shoe. I'm gonna show y'all a little quick 360 of it. I'm gonna change the lights so y'all can see all the colors. Let me let y'all focus on the lights. I don't think it's gonna work, but this is the white color, I think. Yep, and then it flash, you know, like the regular tracks. And then, oh my god, got these. And then it's like the regular, green, red, blue, the RGB, and then it's just off. But y'all seen all the modes. It's kind of hard switching through all this stuff, so I ain't finna sit here and deal with this. But now this is a quick little 360 right here. Fully focused on the shoe. Make sure y'all just pay attention to the details. I'm gonna zoom in when I can. But yeah, Balenciaga right there with the 42 at the top, and it's reflective too. And then you got the little, I don't know what that is, the little line, but Balenciaga down there. That's a few details. On the toe box, niggas was talking about this toe box, talking about it don't look right, but it really do. But then on the inside, it got the little Balenciaga sticker. These are the only. This is a travel sticker, so that the people when you traveling, bro, this shoe got a battery in it, so you gotta tell the TSA or whatever, whoever be checking, you gotta tell them niggas before you get on the plane that they got a battery in it. So that's the little sticker to let them know. That's why it say contact your airline, travel, railroad, line service before traveling. And then the Balenciaga in there. And then yeah, also got runner on the sides. If you focus, got the Balenciaga letters right there. Wait, right there. And then the bottom say Balenciaga too. But yeah, bro, I'm gonna switch to a little. I'm gonna probably make a fit with these tomorrow, bro. And then I'm gonna show like the on foot version. And then y'all probably gonna see it in the thumbnail. Y'all gonna see the on foot. And I'm gonna do a little video, a little quick little vid for y'all.
Niggas, my son keep trying what I wear. Geeking like shit, trying to take off a head. The odds naive, so I'm not about to play. Just do what I do, just do what I told you. I go sleep in the morning so I can wake up in the morning. Don't play me, boy, you bad, now shoot him. Little bit on my left, it don't have that beat. And I'm in the middle, shit throwing up 3. A marine, my jeans, supreme on my teeth. Favorite color red, I feel like Lil Key. Cover my face, no, I cannot see. Cover my face, cover my eyes. I see blood, just hop out and kill. Give nigga bill just like I'm a bull. You try run away, you get hit by that shit. Fly deep on the street, move too tight. You play with that shit, I'ma come and come top. I was covering my face when that boy got done. She smiling like shit, she got put in my son. She sucking my dick, I look like a nun. The Glock on the boy, like watch your little turn. Just hop on and get no 2 blessing and shit. I throw in my dick, but I ain't catching no pick. In love with this bitch, I might outsell her neck. Can't ice on my own neck, so what the fuck I'm talking about? Walk on the baby, she gotta get in my house. Cool flex on my parlay, I'm mad. Not banned on him no more, that bitch has a band. Coming all black, bitch, I'm being like a band. Hop out of that blow, now hopping on no van. Just cracking the late night, I'm shooting that cans. Fresh boy, freshman in class, do my dance. My teacher got 6 week canceled the class. Cross my fingers, just using my hands. We finesse bitch, keep chiefing the dabs. We finesse bitch, keep geeking the dance. I can't breathe, I move just slow, I keep panting. Breath getting heavy. Breath getting heavy. Adrenaline rush, don't know what to do. Adrenaline rush, keep panicking and loop. Head hurt, stomach hurt, I don't know what to do. I'm sick as the fuck, this how I got the flu. MJ 23, hop out on 2. 23, 1C34.
Yeah, that's really it for this. Now if I'm being honest, bro, what do I rate this shoe? I ain't gonna lie, this shoe is hideous. Like, this shoe ugly as hell, but I feel like it's gonna grow on me. Like, Balenciaga tracks is an ugly ass shoe, but I still be wearing them boys. Like, they kind of cold to me. But this, I can't understand the concept of putting lights on me. I'm finna make all type of rage bait TikToks with these, man. If I was to rate it, I probably get this shoe I get this with like a 6.5 out of 10. But as time go on, I'm knowing I'm definitely gonna change that rating. So shit,